Ever walked into a store, ready to buy something, only to be met with confusion at the checkout? A slow, clunky system can kill a sale faster than you can say customer service. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need a point-of-sale system that's not just functional, but fast, efficient, and easy to use. That's where Lightspeed comes in. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into exactly how you make a sale on Lightspeed, ensuring a smooth and satisfying experience for both you and your customers. Lightspeed is a powerful cloud-based POS system designed for a variety of businesses, from retail stores and restaurants to e-commerce shops. It's known for its intuitive interface and robust features. But like any system, there's a learning curve. So, if you're new to Lightspeed, or just want to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. We're not just going to cover the basics. We'll walk through a typical sales transaction step by step, highlighting key features and offering tips and tricks to maximize your efficiency. We'll also touch on some common scenarios and how to handle them within Lightspeed. Think of this as your comprehensive guide to mastering the art of the Lightspeed sale. Let's start with the heart of the matter, making a sale. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Lightspeed account. Once you're in, you'll typically be greeted with the main sales screen, often called the register or point of sale screen. This is your command center for all sales transactions. The layout might vary slightly depending on your specific Lightspeed setup and industry, but the core elements are generally the same. You'll usually see a section for adding items to the sale, a display showing the current transaction details, and various buttons for actions like discounts, payments, and completing the sale. Now, let's say a customer walks in and wants to buy a specific item. The first thing you need to do is add that item to the sale. There are a few ways to do this. The most common method is to use a barcode scanner. Simply scan the barcode on the product, and it should automatically appear in the transaction window. Lightspeed will pull up the product information, including the price and any applicable taxes. If you don't have a barcode scanner, or the barcode is damaged, you can also search for the item manually. Lightspeed usually provides a search bar where you can type in the product name, SKU, or even a partial description. As you type, the system will suggest matching items, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Another way to add items is through the product grid or catalog. This is particularly useful if you have a visual layout of your products. You can browse through categories or use filters to narrow down your search, and then simply click or tap on the item to add it to the sale. Once you've added the item, you'll see it displayed in the transaction window. You can adjust the quantity if the customer wants to purchase multiple units of the same item. Lightspeed will automatically calculate the total price, including any applicable taxes. Now, let's say the customer wants to buy a few different items. Simply repeat the process of adding items to the sale until you have everything the customer wants. Lightspeed will keep track of the running total, making it easy for both you and the customer to see the cost of the purchase. At this point, you might need to apply a discount. Lightspeed offers various discount options, such as percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, or even discounts tied to specific promotions. You can usually apply discounts directly from the sales screen. Just select the appropriate discount type and enter the discount amount or percentage. Lightspeed will recalculate the total price accordingly. Once you've added all the items and applied any discounts, it's time to process the payment. Lightspeed supports a wide range of payment methods, including cash, credit cards, debit cards, gift cards, and mobile payments. The specific payment options available to you will depend on your Lightspeed setup and your payment processor. If the customer is paying with cash, simply enter the amount they're giving you. Lightspeed will automatically calculate the change due and even provide a visual prompt on the screen. This helps to minimize errors and ensures accurate cash handling. For credit or debit card payments, you'll typically use a card reader connected to your Lightspeed system. The customer will insert or tap their card, and the card reader will securely transmit the payment information to your payment processor. Lightspeed will then receive confirmation of the payment and update the transaction status. Lightspeed also often supports contactless payments, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. These payments are processed similarly to credit card payments, but they use near-field communication, NFC, technology to securely transmit the payment information. Once the payment is processed, you'll need to finalize the sale. This usually involves printing a receipt for the customer. Lightspeed allows you to customize your receipts with your business logo, contact information, and even promotional messages. You can also choose to email the receipt to the customer if they prefer a digital copy. After the sale is complete, the transaction details will be recorded in Lightspeed's system. This allows you to track your sales, manage your inventory, and generate reports. Lightspeed's reporting features are incredibly powerful and provide valuable insights into your business performance. Now, let's touch on a few common scenarios you might encounter. What happens if a customer wants to return an item? Lightspeed makes returns easy. You can usually look up the original transaction and then process a return for the specific item. Lightspeed will automatically adjust your inventory and refund the customer. Another common scenario is dealing with layaways or holds. Lightspeed can handle these situations as well. You can create a layaway order, where the customer pays a deposit and then pays the remaining balance later. Lightspeed will keep track of the layaway order and notify you when it's time for the customer to pick up the item. What about if you need to void a sale? This might happen if you accidentally ring up the wrong item or if the customer changes their mind. Lightspeed allows you to void sales, but it's important to do this carefully and follow your company's procedures for voiding transactions. Throughout this process, remember that customer service is key. A friendly and efficient checkout experience can make a big difference in customer satisfaction. Use Lightspeed's features to your advantage, but don't forget the human touch. Engage with your customers, answer their questions, and make them feel valued. Lightspeed is a comprehensive system, and there are many other features we haven't covered in this video, such as inventory management, customer relationship management, CRM, and reporting. We encourage you to explore these features on your own and take advantage of Lightspeed's training resources and support documentation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.